Have you ever wondered how jobs are evaluated and classified within an organization? One of the most renowned methods used globally is the Hay method. This method of job evaluation was developed in the 1950s by Edward N. Hay and Dale Purves, and is based on three key factors. Firstly, we have know-how, which gauges the depth and breadth of knowledge and skills needed to perform the job effectively. Secondly, we have problem-solving, examining the level of cognitive complexity and independent thinking required to solve issues that arise in the role. And lastly, accountability, measuring the degree of responsibility for decisions, resources, and outcomes linked to the job. The Hay method utilizes standardized guide charts with descriptive levels for each factor, providing a way for objective and consistent evaluation across different jobs. It emphasizes internal consistency within an organization's job structure, ensuring relative fairness in compensation compared to other roles within the same company. But like all methods, the Hay method has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's structured and objective, transparent, flexible, and ensures internal consistency. On the downside, it can be complex and costly to implement and maintain. It may not be suitable for rapidly changing work environments, and it focuses on job worth, not individual performance. The Hay method involves a detailed implementation process that starts with preparation, followed by job analysis, evaluation, and calibration, job point score calculation, pay scale mapping, and finally validation and communication. Job descriptions are the primary source of data for the Hay method. They should be comprehensive and accurately reflect the actual duties and responsibilities of each role. Additional information such as organizational charts, employee interviews, and market data can also be used to supplement the job analysis. The Hay method itself does not determine pay scales. Instead, it provides a framework for ranking jobs based on their relative worth. Organizations can develop their own pay scales based on internal factors such as budgets, competitive market rates, and job family structures. In summary, the Hay method is a comprehensive, structured, and globally recognized job evaluation method that emphasizes internal consistency and fairness in job classification and compensation within an organization. However, it requires a significant investment in time, resources, and expertise to implement and maintain effectively.